Seed Starting and Growing Vegetable in the Greenhouse Series Part 1. Hello, welcome to 7's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody, so it's February right now, and I'm gonna start a greenhouse series showing you the progress of the greenhouse. We're gonna start now going forward till the summer, so let's go to the greenhouse and start, and I'll show you what's going on. And we're gonna start getting the greenhouse ready to start our seedlings in there and be able to get some vegetables in our greenhouse. So let's go. So as you can see, we still have snow on the ground, and it's still snowing regularly over here. The temperature right now is about 34 degrees. So here in the greenhouse, it's a lot warmer than outside. And what I did in the fall was these two shelves that I have over here, I sealed them up. It's not completely sealed yet, but I'm gonna be able to seal them up completely, so that way I can have another insulation inside the greenhouse. So sealing them up, I'm gonna have my seedlings in there, and I'm gonna also have some indoor plants in here, so that way I'm not growing them inside and using a lot of electricity to heat it and to put lights on them. So the plan is to get this greenhouse ready, and then move some of them outside and start my seedlings out here. So over here I still have some few containers that I did not clean up. I'm gonna clean them up later on. And I have quite a lot of mass here. So in here I have my potting mix. The potting mix that I took out of most of my containers, I was able to empty some of the small containers into this, just to provide some mass and help the worms and other organisms continue to thrive. And I just cover it up with this all the dead plants that I took out of the greenhouse. So if I open it up, it's I think it's much fresher. You can see the worms, you can see worms right here. So it's the worms are thriving, they are surviving because of the mass. The mass provides some much needed insulation, and they're able to thrive in here. And I also did the same too. I have two big containers here that I condensed all of the potting mix to those containers, but I still have quite a few other small containers like these ones over here that were not condensed down to one, but that's something that we're gonna do later on. And over here in here, what I also did was I filled up I have some 5-gallon rain barrels. I have some 50-gallon rain barrels right here. I have two of them over here, and I have more rain barrels. Or you can also see these containers over here. Just provide some mass so that way at least it absorbs a lot of the heat. Over here I have 4 50-gallon rain barrels. You can see the just heating up of the water maintains a little bit of the temperature in the greenhouse, and during the day it warms up a lot to like 80 degrees, and then it falls down to like 30 degrees at night. So what I'm thinking of doing is to make sure that I have this set up, and then I'm just gonna put in a little heater in here. I have my electric heater. I'm not gonna use electric heater right now, but I'm gonna use this gas. I just got some gas that I'm gonna try to use, and I ordered some gas heater that is gonna help me maintain that temperature in here at a cheaper price. So hopefully that's what we're gonna get with the stuff coming up. So first thing I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna open this up. And this here, as you can see, I have multiple shelves on this side. This is gonna be seed starting on this side right here, and then the my tropical plants are gonna be on that side. And I'm gonna try to see if I can put the heater over here which is close by to the seedlings, and it's gonna be able to provide me some much needed heat, and this is gonna provide some insulation from the outside temperature in the greenhouse itself. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Let me just pour this up and I'll show you more details on what's going on. So I have opened the plastic on the shelf. You can see the shelves that I have in here. This is gonna be used for seed starting, and that side is gonna be used for the plants, or the plants that I moved indoors in the fall. So I have enough space for them. I'm gonna try to seal the bottom and seal the plastic all around so that covers, and also try to see if I can seal the bottom of it so that we know a lot of cold air doesn't come from the bottom to the top, and that would help maintain the temperature in there. So this is ready to go. As you can see, we have some herbs that, over here, that survived the winter. They're still okay. They're just coming out. We have a few coming out over here. These ones are just popping out, germinating right now because of the temperature. We have Nala leafy green over here. That's still, we have some herbs that still survive the winter, and so we're gonna be able to once I set this shelf up, I'm gonna make sure all of them are under the under this shelf, so that way they're able to have some warmth and continue to grow, so that we can start harvesting some herbs very soon, and some other vegetables. Let me know in the comments below if you have a greenhouse, or you intend to have a greenhouse, or you intend to start growing your seeds early indoors. Let me know in the comments below, and also let me know the type of vegetables or flowers you're gonna be growing in your greenhouse. As I'm gonna start showing you guys what I'm planting. I know some of you wanted to see exactly what I was growing, so that way you guys can follow. So I'm gonna start giving you guys daily update on this series, so that way not really daily, but at least weekly updates on this series, so that way you guys know exactly what I'm planting and when, depending on the area that you are. I am zone 10B, which is a lot colder than the others. So some people have already started growing in greenhouses and in indoors already. But if you're still to start, you can still follow me and just follow what I'm doing. And you don't need a big greenhouse like this to start. You can make a small greenhouse. I have a couple of videos that shows you how to do a mini greenhouse, or do a bottle greenhouse, or other mini greenhouses that you can use to start your seeds indoors and be able to have some seedlings in time for the start of the garden season. So hopefully this helps you out. Also, let me know if you guys are looking for a particular process, or a particular seed that I usually grow. If you want to know the process, or you want to know what's going on, just let me know in the comments below what you're looking for, and maybe I might be able to help. And hopefully this video helps you out. Okay, that is it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.